counting, totaling, and finding an average, that's also considered a standard method of solution. So by counting, they mean counting how many iterations have passed in the loop. In totaling, you're summing values when you input numbers, for example. And finding an average is basically finding a mean. Although average, I know a mean is a type of average, but you're in CS, you're not in math, so an average is mean. Anyways, this program will be going to pseudocode pro, so
I can use pub notes. Hey, look at this.
yeah. The whole premise of this program is to enter numbers and find an average and total. So for example, I enter 5, I enter 9, I enter 14, and let's stop by entering -1. And can you like not bother with me right now? Thank you. It's still bothering me. Please stop. Okay, we'll rerun the program. 5, 9, 14, and let's stop. And so we have entered 3 numbers, excluding the -1 to quit. Our total 5 plus 9 plus 14 is indeed 28, and the average is 9.3. Also, the reason why I set total to 1 is because the last one will ruin the total, because we're adding the number to the total and the -1 does count as a number. Also, I have set count to -1 because yeah, this -1 will not count as a number, so rather than 0, we're doing -1. And so we'll go line by line. We initialize a total and count. We keep repeating this output process and input process. We output asking them to enter a number, then input the number. -1 is a way to end the inputting. So I use the -1 system is because, for example, the next time you might want to enter 10 numbers instead of 3. So yeah, count is -1 because instead of initializing count to 0, we will have an extra number here which doesn't technically count as -1 just to stop the program. So yeah, count equals count plus 1 to increase the count until a number is equals to -1. That's our stop flag. Our average, of course, is total over count, the mean, and we output. That is how you count, total, and find an average.